Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title of the video, I am going to do a first look at the new Fenty Beauty bronzer, and I hope you guys like it. So please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely hit that subscribe button and the bell note so that you know when I drop another video. So I just got this yesterday. I ordered it on Friday and it came on Monday, which was really fast shipping. But this is what the outside of the box looks like. It's really pretty. It's like a rose gold finish up here, and then it has like some writing up here, and then like the standard black and white box that she normally sends everything in. And then the back says instant sun-soaked glow that lasts, blendable, buildable, transfer resistant. So we're gonna test that out. And yeah, that's all it says. And then it also has like the ingredients at the top, and then some more, like some, I think it's like the word bronzer in different languages at the bottom. So that's what the box looks like. Trying to see if they have, so the net weight is 6.23 grams, and it's about 0.22 ounces, which I think is a pretty good amount for $30. But anyway, let's just jump into it. I didn't open it. It still even has like the sticker that I have to take off, so give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Alright, so I'm about to open it, and on the inside, oh, this is really pretty. It's like a mirror rose gold. It's so pretty. My fingerprint already messed it up and you can see my camera. It says Fenty Beauty, like almost all of her products. I'm going to be comparing it with the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer, and I have this one in the shade Mahogany. And by the way, this shade is the second to last shade, and it is the color, and it's the color Coco Naughty right here, Coco Naughty. So I'm going to start off with the Anastasia bronzer powder. If you followed my page so far, you will know that this is my favorite bronzer so far. I don't know if the Fenty Beauty is going to top it, but we're going to figure that out today. I'm going to be grabbing one of my Sigma brushes, and I'm going to be using it right on the apples of my cheeks. The only thing I have on my face so far is foundation, a little bit of concealer, and I didn't do anything too heavy because I wanted to make sure that the colors of both shows up. Alright, so as you can tell, this brush is kind of dirty. I need to wash it, but it's not that dirty, which is the reason why I'm going to be using it again today. Focus, camera, focus. Okay, yeah, so that's what I'm going to be using. I'm going to start off with the Anastasia on this side. Alright. It's pretty standard. Kind of warms up my face really well, but I will say the difference between this and the Fenty Beauty, I can already tell, is that this is pretty red undertone, and the Fenty Beauty on the website, it says that this one is neutral. I'm gonna move the camera a little bit closer so you guys can see. It's very subtle. The reason why I wanted to get the new Fenty Beauty one was to see if there's one that could give me that oomph. And I felt like, even though I really love the Anastasia one, I really wanted something that could like make me go, yes, I feel like I've gotten that summer bronze, that summer beautiful like darker shade that I get when it's in the summer, if that makes sense. Alright, like I said, very subtle. I'm not even sure if you can tell. You probably can, but like I said, it's very red undertoned. On camera it seems lighter, but in person it's a little darker. Hope you guys can see that. And this is the ABH. They kind of seem like the same color, honestly. So I don't know if I made a good decision getting this one, because I don't want it to look the exact same. That wasn't the purpose of me buying this. I don't know, it kind of seems a little light for my skin tone, but we're gonna see how that transfers on my skin. Alright, so I'm gonna be using my Sigma powder brush, and it is the F10. I'm gonna dip into the Fenty Beauty generously. And then I'm going to turn to the side so you guys can see what I'm doing. It is very blendable though, that's what I will say. Just like the Anastasia Beverly Hills, it's very, very blendable and it's super smooth, and I like the formula. But I'm not getting the darker hue that I wanted, if that makes sense. I probably should have gone with the darker one. So if you're my skin tone or darker, try the very last shade. But I still feel like that might not even be the right thing. Because I feel like if this is the second to last shade, how much darker could it get? Okay, so this is the final result on both sides. They really look the exact same. If you guys are on the fence between the Anastasia Beverly Hills bronzer or the Fenty Beauty bronzer, go for either one. Honestly, they really have a beautiful finish and the formula is amazing. But I will say that if there's something else that you could spend your money on, spend it on that. If it's not like a priority for you to get a bronzer at the moment, and if it's not, like for me, if I had known that this was like the end result, I could have spent my money on something else because I already have a bronzer. But if you are in the market for a bronzer and you're a little lighter skinned than me, definitely go for the Fenty Beauty or the Anastasia Beverly Hills one. But I'm honestly kind of disappointed. I love Rihanna's products. Like, I have a shit ton of her highlighters and everything, but I'm not impressed by the bronzer that much. So, I'm going to be including the pictures right now, and you guys tell me what you think down in the comment section. I'm gonna do a quick swatch. So the first one that I'm doing right now is the ABH. I'm being very generous with how much I'm putting. So this is the Anastasia one. Focus, 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 focus. Okay, it doesn't want to focus. But I'm going to be posting it right here. So you guys can see. See that? That's ABH. Again, being very generous. So you guys know I'm not lying. I'm going to put that right underneath it. This is Fenty Beauty. So like I said, the top one, ABH, is much redder, obviously. But as you can tell, this is not the right bronzer shade for me. Absolutely not. I actually even think that the ABH might be even better for me because it's darker, even though it's not the right undertone. Like I was saying, I don't think that this bronzer worked out for me. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. And like I said at the beginning of the video, make sure to tap the notification bell so that you know when I will drop a new video. Try out the darkest shade rather than this one if you are my complexion or later or darker. And I will see you next time. Bye bye.